Today we're going to talk about Adaptor Inc. and their product line. It's a fairly narrow line of products designed specifically to stabilize the valve and the valve box together. This device is made with extruded green rubber compound. As you can see, you've got this upper portion, which is where your valve box would fit. This lip is what the valve box rests on, so you would insert this onto the bottom of the valve box and then put this down on the bonnet of the valve. Each one of these fits a particular valve. This is a type A. We have an A, B, C, D, and E. A fits the Mueller valve. So each one of the valve box adapters has the lettering on the bottom that tells you what valve it will fit. It's designed to reduce the infiltration from your aggregate and your backfill. It's designed to stabilize the box and the valve together so that you keep the operating nuts centered in the center of the valve box, so when you're trying to exercise your valves, you can get your valve wrench onto the operating nut. That's the Valve Box Adaptor II. We have a universal fit, does the same thing, slightly different in that the center is cut out to fit any of your 4-inch up through 12-inch valves. The bonnet of the valve goes here. You would insert this onto the bottom of your valve box, then you would push that assembly onto the bonnet of the valve. Does the same thing as this, it's just this will fit virtually any size that you have. We also make a gate valve adapter. We have a metal top so that the bottom of your box fits in these notches. The rubber protects the top of the valve so that you don't scratch the finish on that and the coating that the valve manufacturer put onto the valve. This will support the weight of whatever box you're trying to put onto that valve. This is our valve box adapter for number 6 base or a 160 base. As you can see, the cutout area is for the top of the bonnet. Then your bottom of your box fits here. For either one, the number 6 or the 160, then you would put that assembly down on top of the bonnet of the valve. Provides that stability to keep that valve box and that valve held together. Also in their product line, they have barrel wraps and internal external seals for your extensions on your manholes. These are extensions that we've applied. They're simulated, obviously. We have a wrap around it. It has butyl mastic that holds it down, and then we have a strap that holds it in place. You'll also notice the top of the internal external seal has butyl mastic around it, so that when you finish with this part of the assembly and you're ready to add your cast iron ring, you would pull the tape off. You would press this against the inside of your cast iron ring, so you've got your internal seal and your external seal. That completes our discussion for today. Thank you for your attention.